Video I'm going to tell the dimensions of physical quantities. In mechanics, generally we have the three base quantities. So what are the three base quantities? Means mass, length, time. So m we can write in unclosed bracket, l we can write like this, and time t. So now we can write the dimensions of physical quantities. First I am taking the length. So length formula we can write in the dimensional formula. We can use the three base quantities m, l, t in enclosed square brackets. So see here length. In that mass is absent here. So we can write power 0. Length l is there. So length 1. Time is absent. So we can write t power 0. Next I will take the formula area. So what is the area formula? Length into breadth, right? So length means which letter? L letter, and breadth also we are represented by the L. So L into L we can write L square. Now write the formula M L T in enclosed square brackets. So here in that mass is absent, so m power 0. L is there, how many times? 2, so L power 2. And T is absent, then T power 0. Next we can write volume. So what is the formula of volume? Into breadth into height. So length L, breadth also we can represent it with L, and height also we can represent with L. So here L into L into L. L into L into L means L power 3. Now we can write the formula here. Base quantities 3, mass, length, time. So here mass is absent, 0. L is there, length, how many times? This is the 3 power 3, and T is 0. So like this we can write the dimensions and dimensional formula for the physical quantities. So here L power 3 is there. These 3 we can call represent that how many times the fundamental quantity is raised. How many times the fundamental quantity is raised? 3 times it is raised. So this is the dimensions. When we are writing in the enclosed bracket MLT, that we can call the dimensional formula. Okay, next go to the next formula, that is velocity. So velocity formula is nothing but distance by time or displacement by time. So distance is nothing but the actual length of the path we can call. So this is represented by L by time T. So now write here the formula M L T. So here mass is absent in that formula, so m power 0. Length 1 is there, so L power 1, and T in the denominator, if it is having the power plus 1, when we are writing in numerator it will get the minus, so minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of velocity. And what is the dimensions of velocity in length? 1. So L means L power nothing is there, that is we can tell 1. So T minus 1. Next we can write the formula acceleration. So what is the formula for acceleration? Velocity by time. So what is the velocity formula? Distance by time. So here we can write distance by time by time. So distance is in terms of L we can take L, and here time and here time. Time into time, time square is there. So time square. Then we can write length in formula M L T in enclosed square brackets. Here mass is absent, so m power 0. Length is there 1, L power 1. t square, time square is there, so this is in the denominator. When we are writing in the numerator, that plus power became a minus power, so minus 2. So like this also we can write, or simply here velocity by time is there. So already here velocity formula you wrote. What is the velocity formula we wrote? m0 L1 t power minus 1 we wrote. And down denominator time is there. So time. When it is comes to up numerator, it became negative. So m power 0 L1 t power minus 1 into t power minus 1. So t power minus 1 into t power minus 1. Multiplied powers will be added. So then we can get m power 0 L power 1 t power minus 2. So this is also method to find that acceleration dimensional formula and dimensions, and this is also easy method. So again no need to write the velocity formula. Simply if you know the velocity dimensional formula, then directly we can add. This is the formula for pressure, force by area. Okay, if you know the force dimensional formula, simply we can write. If you don't know, again write force formula, mass into acceleration by area. So again acceleration means we know the formula, velocity by time. So area we can write length into length. Length into length. Next, velocity means distance by time. Again we can write. So mass into distance by time by length square. Length square. Here distance we are represented in terms of length. Then we can write mass into length. So here time into time, it is also comes into denominator, then here time square. And here length power 2 is there in the denominator. We sent to numerator, it became a minus. So here we can write length minus 2. So here we can write mass into length power 1, here length power minus 2. Then 1 minus 2 minus 1 will come. So length minus 1 into time in denominator with power 2. Then it comes to numerator, we can write the time power minus 2. Now we can write the dimensions of this m, l, t. So mass is the here m1, length is there minus 1, time is there minus 2. So like this we have to take the physical quantities and we have to try to write that dimensions of the physical quantities and try it. And force and acceleration, force and work, already in the previous video I explained it. We can try for another physical quantities like a momentum we can try. Like that kinetic energy we can try to write the dimensions, and potential energy, for the potential energy we can write. Okay, so first try these three by your own.